Hello, this is Dr. Liu. Today I want to show you one thing I typically do is to set a unique serial port ID for every USB adapter for the SDI 12 sensors. So this facility is called FT underscore prog. It's provided by the FTDI chip company that makes the USB interface chip on my adapters. So this FT-Prog, I'll throw a link to the download page, so you can download it. And once you install it, it looks like this. And I'm going to plug in an adapter. So okay, I could hear that it's plugged in. So the dilemma here is I have made so many of these adapters. Every time I do a batch of adapters, flash the firmware, test every adapter, I get all these COM port numbers. It runs up to a very high number. I delete them all, and then next batch I have a bunch of these COM port numbers coming up again from a new batch. So the COM port numbers they're not exactly a good correspondence to the adapters. And also in Linux, unless you're very familiar with how to assign these rules in Linux, the adapter will show up sometimes as the TTY USB 0 and other time as USB non-zero, some other number. If you have other adapters, other serial port to USB adapters, so they'll take up these TTY USB and then a number almost randomly. So how do you make sure that you're always opening the correct ports? So this is the first step. So first of all, let me look up what kind of adapters I have, so I can scan. So alright, I only have one plugged in. So here's the location. Here's everything here. I have this randomly generated serial number from factory. So this is the number I want to change. So let's see. Device description. Okay. That over there. Okay. Alright, here. Yep. So serial number here. So you can change it to anything you want, and it has a limit in length 16. So I would not go that far. I would just say 80 SDI 12, maybe underscore 1. So that's my first adapter, or maybe northeast. So I'm deploying that in that location, maybe a grid number where I'm deploying it, whatever that is. So once you decide it, you can go ahead and program it. So you program the device, and it'll ask you, what do you want to do? You want to program this device. You can program multiple devices together. So that's a fixed number, not an autogen number anymore. So you can just press program, and it's done. So this adapter, well, you probably have to unplug and replug it in order for Windows to show that this is a new adapter, and it has the a new serial number. But this is already good. You can in different versions of my logging script, the version 1.6.x has the ability to remember these and then open the port that has the right serial number. So that makes it easier for you to open the correct port. Actually, every time you'll be able to open the correct ports. So hopefully this little video will show you how to do that, and also helps you maintain a bit better record of which adapter goes where, and maybe which data logger it goes on to, so you can assign this number something meaningful instead of a random factory generated serial number. Thank you.